Hello, and welcome to today's event called Future Ready, Demystifying Minor Work Permits and Internships, hosted by the Northwest Career and Technical Academy. I'm John Sternlicht, CEO of the Economic Development Alliance of Skagit County. We conduct business attraction, retention and expansion, and capacity building programs, all to benefit businesses like yours. Thank you for taking the time to join us today as we explore a critical aspect of workforce development, preparing the next generation for their future careers while meeting the needs of local businesses like yours. Today's workshop is designed to highlight the importance of engaging high school students in their career journey by offering internships, work-based learning opportunities, and understanding the process of minor work permits. You can help bridge the gap between education and real-world experience while developing your own workforce pipeline. In Skagit County and beyond, the demand for a skilled workforce continues to grow, and businesses can no longer afford to be passive consumers of the education system. Providing students with hands-on experience through internships and other opportunities doesn't just benefit them, it benefits your business by cultivating a future workforce that's already trained, invested, and familiar with your industry. Thank you again for attending today's event. I hope the insights you gain from our speakers and sessions will inspire you to take action. Together, we can create a future-ready workforce that will drive our businesses and community forward for years to come. Thank you.